Breaking news. The Federal Reserve Bank of Atlanta recently announced that the Metro Atlanta housing market is unaffordable. The Atlanta's Fed Home Ownership Affordability Monitor Index, that's a mouthful, measures the ability of a median income household to absorb the estimated annual cost associated with owning a median priced home. But wait a minute. We already knew that the Atlanta area was unaffordable, right? What about, the high demand for homes and year-over-year increase in sales prices? And, if you ask any recent home buyer in today's market their perception, of course you would hear them say, of course it's unaffordable and really tough out there right now. And if you ask any real estate agent in this market, like myself, we are not going to be surprised by this news. And in fact, we weren't surprised by this news. With unprecedented demand and historically low inventory levels, the demand for homes has helped spur the dramatic increase in prices for homes. So how do they deem something unaffordable? The Fed deems an area unaffordable if that home, HOAM index, falls below 100, which indicates that the median price home is unaffordable given the median income household in that area, given the current interest rate. Now, one thing that's important to note about this is that this data is a little bit old. Even though this article just came out 3-4 weeks ago, interest rates have drastically risen over the past couple of weeks, where at the time that this article was written, interest rates were about 3.5%, and now we are looking at 5%. When looking at this map, we see that Fulton County, DeKalb, and Gwinnett County all have home indexes below 100, meaning those areas are unaffordable. Let's take a closer look at some of this other areas and the data that goes along with that. One of the areas that we cover a lot on this channel is Cumming, which is located in Forsyth County. Forsyth has a home index of 116 with a median home price of $466,000, coupled with a median income of $115,000. And then when we look at nearby Gainesville, another area we cover heavily here on this channel, you will find a lower home index of 102 with a median home price of $322,500. And then you have a median income in Gainesville of $69,000. Both of these counties fall below or above the home index of 100, meaning these two counties are more affordable than others that are deemed unaffordable according to the Fed. All right, so what does this all mean to you? Should you not move to the Atlanta area? Of course not. One of the reasons, in part for the rising home prices, is due to the relocation of buyers that are watching this video just like you at home. You may be sitting in your home in California, New York, New Jersey, or Arizona thinking about making the move to Georgia. And most of our clients who are relocating are considering a whole host of factors when deciding on their move, and part of that is affordability. What the Fed may deem unaffordable here may be very affordable for you relative to where you are coming from and the things that you're putting into that decision-making process. You may be considering things like your job situation, retirement status, and the list goes on and on. You may also be considering the size and the type of home that you can get here for your money, the size of the yard, the less time you have to spend in traffic, and your quality of life that you're going to have here. When looking at this map, well, we all know that the further outside of the metro area that you go, the more affordable home prices get. And that is exactly what the map of affordability demonstrates. Most all of our clients that reach out to our team are seeking to get away from a metro area. They want the affordability of housing in Georgia with the convenience of having access to the great city of Atlanta and all that comes with it. Oh, and the fact that we have 4 seasons, great outdoor activities like Lake Lanier and the nearby Blue Ridge Mountains. Well, there is no shortage of things to do and places to go. So the key point to this video, don't let the headlines fool you. Yes, home prices are rising, but they are rising in almost every part of the country, and all things are relative. Bottom line, for almost all of our clients, you're going to get far more for your money in Georgia than where you currently live. Now, don't put those comments below that you live in a tiny town somewhere in Alabama and you get a lot more for your money there. Of course, we're talking about people that are typically reaching out and relocating from other metro areas. Our team can't wait to help you find your home and welcome y'all to Georgia. reach out to us today. You can find our contact information in the comments below. And of course, for more information on moving to Georgia, you have to check out this video.